put in videos, so I thought I'll put one video today. So this video is based on mango jam. I am going to show you an easy and simple and healthy way to make mango jam. So let's get started. First, you want to get cutted mango. So first you have to wash it, peel off the skin, and then cut it into little pieces. So me here, I'm using 1 cup, but you can use any measurement you want, like just any measurement. So I am using very little amount, so I took 1 cup. Then you want to get 2 tablespoons of sugar, and you want to get 1 tablespoon of lime juice. So let's get started. So you want to get these mangoes like smooth as a smoothie. So you have to put it in a blender and mix it. So I'm going to show that. So you want to put these like into there like this. Make sure it's closed tightly. And you want to blend it. You want to take a pot to boil it. So first you want to take, I here like blended the mango. Now here it is. Now you want to put that into here. Make sure no bits of mango is left because wasting food is bad. So my mom switched on the fire. You have to use a spoon or just whatever you like to mix it. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now you want to add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice or lime juice. I mean, here using lime juice because we don't have lemon here. We just have lime. Now my mom put it on medium flame, and you want to boil it for 10 minutes and keep on stirring it until it's thick. It's almost thick now, maybe 5 or 4 more minutes. So yeah, now I'm switching off the stove. This is very thickened, see? Okay, so I switched this off. Now it needs to cool down for some time. Put it in a jar. Pour it into some jar. Make sure you're slow because you don't want it to drip. So using this similar recipe, I made a cherry jam, see? So my mom loved cherry jam. So using the same recipe, you can make any kind of fruit jam you want. You can make strawberry jam, banana jam, cherry jam, mango jam, any kind of fruit you like. See the consistency now? It's perfect. So spread it like this. It's super yummy too. I like to eat bread with the jam or jelly or peanut butter on both sides. That's tasty. Yummy. So I hope you liked this video. See you in the next video.